Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Gay Solo Travel. There are a lot of YouTube channels out there that focus on travel, so why subscribe to mine? Well, for one thing, I've noticed that a lot of travel videos and a lot of gay travel videos and a lot of gay travel content tends to be created by and seemingly for people who are in a relationship or people who travel with friends or in groups. And I think that's a gap that my channel fills. I focus on what it's like to travel as a gay and or queer person on your own, thus gay solo travel. Not that there's anything wrong with traveling with a partner or creating content with a partner or for individuals that are looking to travel in a group or with friends, but for those of us who travel on our own and prefer to travel on our own, we know that traveling on your own is a very different experience than traveling with a partner or with friends or both. For one thing, the budgeting and the money involved to travel on your own is very different. Generally speaking, traveling on your own, traveling as a solo traveler is more expensive because you can't really save money by sharing accommodations or a car rental and so on and so forth. And so that's another gap that my channel fills. I really put in a lot of effort into being transparent about how much my trips cost, and I also do my best to provide you with some advice on how you can see as much as you can for as little of a price as you can. Because remember, all the money that you don't spend on this trip is money that you can put towards your next trip. One thing that I notice with other gay travel YouTube channels is that they do tend to focus quite a bit on gay specific destinations or gay specific events or experiences. Beaches, gay villages, gay bars, hotels, etc., etc. And not that there's anything wrong with that, but I do find that as a gay person who travels on their own, I don't often seek out queer or gay specific sort of spaces when I travel. I tend to pick a country or a city or set of countries and cities, and I travel as a gay person to these places in order to experience the architecture, the food, the culture, and yes, the nightlife to a certain degree as well. It's just that my traveling is not determined necessarily by my sexuality, and the destinations that I choose are not necessarily focused on my gay identity or gay experiences. Gay or not, solo or not, if you are a budget traveler, then this channel is for you, because ultimately what this channel is really about is #unfiltered travel. What you won't find here are high production values or glossy pictures or videos shot on professional camera, let alone drone videos or photography taken from far above a city. I don't have the money for that, I don't have the technical skills for that, and honey, I ain't got the time for that either. Everything that I do is shot on this. It is an iPhone SE2. As you can see, there is a single lens at the back. What you will find here though is helpful advice. Helpful advice on how to think about your trip, how to plan your trip, what to consider before you go on your trip, and some tips, advice, guidance, and recommendations on what to do and what not to do when you're on your trip. And even if you're not traveling, if you just want to watch a wacky gay guy from Canada talk about travel and follow me along as I talk about where I've been, well, hey, you know what? That's great too. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And if you're interested, you can follow me on social media as well. On Instagram, you can find me at Traveler Gay Solo, and on TikTok, you can follow me at gay.solo.travel. If you like what you see and hear in my videos, feel free to check out my website at www.gaysolotravel.com. There, you'll find all sorts of information, including how to book a consultation with me if you're looking to travel on your own, but need a little bit of support and guidance in learning how to do so. Well, that's all for me for now. Thanks again for visiting my channel, and goodbye until later.